When he got paralyzed, it truly showed me how little time we have.
Never thought that we would be able to go out and have an adventure with my son.
A lot of my children's childhood, I was around in a different way than probably most dads were, because things were just difficult for me as I was trying to recover.
Within a week, you can go from being this big, strong dude going on big backpacking hikes all the time, doing backflips off of your roof, to just like not even being able to get out of your own bed and just being locked in your own body.
I was not only not able to walk, I wasn't able to even speak or communicate because I was on life support for so long. I was in a lot of pain. There were a lot of times it was just, I was wishing I would die.
AJ's been in the hospital for 2 weeks now. He is paralyzed from the neck down. Cannot move his hands. Can't move his feet. Cannot breathe on his own. His diaphragm is paralyzed. He has a trach. AJ, can you describe what you want?
When they brought my kids in to see me, like, I'm trying not to look at them because I couldn't face them. There was their dad, who was kind of their hero and their giant, and then I was just less than nothing. I couldn't even say I love you, I couldn't say hi, nothing. That was hard to be taken care of by them, but it was reason enough to work to get out of that situation, and that I could come back for them. My kids, they really saved me because they gave me a purpose, a reason.
There were no answers to whether or not I would get better. They sent me home paralyzed, and the only answer they could give me if I would ever walk again was, we'll see. As years went by, my nerves were able to heal, but it never fully recovered. It's been 8 years, and it's only been in the last 2 years that I've even had the ability to get back out to do the things that I love. So I feel like I have a lot of lost time.
It's amazing that I can do this with my kids. Really just the quiet nature of sitting alone with my boy or with my daughter. That's really what it was about. And that was something I picked up from my dad. We started hunting because my son wanted to. So I was excited that my son really wanted to do something like that. He wanted to be outdoors. He wanted to go do difficult things. I think relationships are built through challenges and overcoming things together. And so that lost time of father and son interaction and having those conditions, this is the perfect experience for that.
You have tundra, marsh, and water everywhere. Half the time you're in a bog. You're drinking straight out of a stream, and then you're sitting there just looking at the mountains all day, and it's quiet. There's no screens, there's no anything. To be in an environment like that with my son, that is unique nowadays.
What's the plan, AJ?
Well, we're gonna figure out how to get across the valley over here, looking at 3 big bulls that are together.
He's not very long, but look how wide that is.
Now we gotta go up on top of the mountain there to look down on him and figure out a plan.
Here we go.
That's where we're gonna go. Yeah, there's 4 bull moose and 3 big ones.
All right.
So he'll have your pick.
Don't miss, man.
Do all 3.
That's right.
One bullet, so it's only one moose.
One for each of us.
See like the rock line?
Yep.
So follow that rock line, go to the middle patch of the rock line over there.
All right. Cross over the valley. Keep far away from them. They're not in the best position. So we're gonna have to hike high, high, high. And then we'll sit on them and wait. Once they start moving, we can stalk in closer. So long hike ahead.
Shoot it. That's a dead moose. That's a dead moose, boys.
He executed perfectly. And that was really cool to watch and see. It was the fact that after really, really difficult stuff, hours trying to get down there, that he was able through all of that to keep his composure, to turn and see him and that smile on his face, and then knowing that he now knows what he can do. That makes me feel good for the sacrifice of that lesson that he will learn. I hope he carries that with him forever.
Hard things are good. They may suck in the moment, but the reward is just so worth it.
To go from, being told literally in physical therapy, you don't need to come back, you're never getting out of your leg braces and your equipment ever again, to scaling up that mountain with my son. That was something, that I really thought I'd lost, and I would never be able to not just enjoy for myself, but enjoy with him.
It makes me feel really blessed that I can go out and I can do these hard things with him. Just all of it together was just such an amazing experience.
Even though there's a lot of pain, there's a lot of struggles, and it's hard to do these things, he's worth it.